Hi again and welcome to Deluxe Detail. Today we're going to show you a great example of a car that is of good quality, yet no matter how many times it's washed, the owner just can't get the finish right. This is a classic example of when cars are cleaned often but not polished enough. To make things worse, this car is flat black and has a very soft, clear coat, which means every time you do touch it, it will mark. Now what you're going to see today is a 3-stage process where we take out the marks and the scratches by cutting it. In the paint correction process, we'll then remove any marks we've left from the actual removal of the scratches, and then we'll proceed to seal the car with a beautiful high gloss finish. Then after this, we will use a paint sealant to ensure the polish is kept on the car. The paint sealant is great as it allows actual proper hand polish to bind to the paint surface. Once this is finished, as long as it's polished on a semi-regular basis, these marks you can see here should not reappear. We will cut them all out, but if that polish wears off and wear and tear starts to occur again on the clear coat, these marks will reappear again. I hope you enjoy what you've seen today, and make sure you call or ask Jared if you have any questions regarding this video or any of the other videos you may have seen.